Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a classic Japanese dessert that's not only a favorite in many households but also the preferred snack of the beloved manga character Doraemon. Yes, we are talking about dorayaki, those delightful sweet pancakes filled with red bean paste. Let's get started with this simple yet delicious recipe. Start with the Anko. This takes some time, so pick a day when you are at home with a bit of time to spare. Rinse the beans in plenty of water and use a pot with a thick bottom and a lid. Soak the beans in 3 to 4 times their volume of water for 3 to 4 hours. Don't soak them for more than 4 hours, that they might become too hard. Once the soaking is complete, bring the water to a boil and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. As the white foam rises to the surface, skim it off. Lower the heat to medium, cover and simmer for about 1.5 hours. Adding water as needed to keep the beans covered until they become soft. After 1.5 hours, pinch a beans between your fingers. If it crushes easily with light pressure, it's done. Turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let it steam for 30 minutes. This steaming process helps eliminate any unevenness in cooking. After 30 minutes, evenly divide the beans into 3 portions for storage. Separating the beans into smaller portions along with some of the cooking liquid makes them convenient to use in other dishes. Once divided, reserve 2 portions for later use and process to make the sweet red bean paste with the remaining one. Add water to a pot and place it over low heat to dissolve the sugar. It's not necessary to dissolve the sugar completely. Once the sugar has partially dissolved, add the drained red bean to the pot and turn the heat to high. Stir quickly from the bottom of the pot to mix the beans without crushing them or allowing them to burn. Once the mixture thickens, turn off the heat. Adding a pinch of salt at the end enhances the flavor. As the bean paste cools, it will harden slightly, so remove it from the heat when it's still a bit softer than your preferred texture. Transfer it quickly to another container to cool. If left in the pot, the heat can cause the sugar to change, making the aftertaste too strong. We've forgotten to add salt, so we're adding right now, but it's easier to mix in while it's still in the pot. If you accidentally overcook the Anko as we did, it might become a bit too firm. We recommended stopping the cooking process a bit earlier than we did in this video. Next, let's make the Dorayaki pancakes. Bring the egg to room temperature and measure the flour and baking powder. In a bowl, mix the eggs with brown sugar, honey, mirin, and pinch of salt. Though we made half the batch, we recommended using the full amount listed for 4 dorayaki pancakes. Whisk while boiling water until it turns white. Sift in the flour and baking powder, holding gently, then mix in the milk or water.
Mana 1.5?
うん。
とこの半分。この
Pour the butter into a Teflon frying pan to form pancakes about 8 cm in diameter and cook over low heat for 1.5 minutes. While you can cook multiple pancakes at once, it is recommended to cook them one at a time for even browning and more beautiful finish. Flip the pancake and cook for another 50 seconds. Adjust the cooking time based on the heat level. Once cooked, remove from the pan and continue with the rest of the batter. Once all are cooked, fill them with the red bean paste to complete. While they are delicious immediately, letting them sit for half a day allows the pancakes and red bean paste to melt together, resulting in a moister and tastier treat. Despite the significance of sugar used, the sweetness is refined to therefore not overly sweet at all. By the way, if you have leftover red bean paste, it makes a delicious topping for toast. Spread the red bean paste on toast, add a slice of butter on top, and warm it up in the toaster. The sweetness of the red bean paste and the saltiness of the butter creates a perfect match that's absolutely delicious. Be sure to try it out. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you enjoy making and tasting these iconic dorayaki pancakes as much as we do. If you have any requests for future videos or dishes you'd like to see, don't hesitate to reach out. We are always excited to explore new recipes and share them with you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious adventures in Japanese cooking. See you next time. Bye bye!